Hey guys, welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. So I do this analysis every single week, showing you guys amazing setups to look out for during the week. Last week I predicted 5 currencies for you guys, and guess what? The 5 of the currency pairs I predicted went exactly the same way I predicted that every single one of them was going to go. 5 of them. You can pause this video right now, watch the previous weekly forecast, and you can actually verify what I'm saying for yourself. 5 of them exactly the same way I predicted. I predicted Euro USD that was going to go down, and I gave you guys first, second, and third target. Guess what? It smashed the first and second targets just last week. I predicted I think like 5 of you guys should just go check it out for yourselves. Okay, this week I'm going to give you guys another 5 currency pairs. Okay, so if of course this is an amazing opportunity for you to make a lot of money. I love you guys that keep reaching out to me, telling me how this weekly analysis has actually helped your trading and help you to make better trading decisions and have better trading results. And I salute you guys. I love you guys. There's a lot of money to be made in forex market, and we can all make this money together. Okay, so that's why I do this weekly analysis for you guys every single week. So if you're new to this channel, or even if you're not new but you have to subscribe, do well, smash the subscribe button like right away so that I don't miss my weekly analysis. I share money like literally on this channel every single time I do this weekly analysis for you guys. Okay, so let's jump into today's video. So next week event, we're having some news events coming out next week, but it's not enough to catch your attention, because it's a bit mild. It's going to be a little mild. It's going to be a bit mild next week as far as fundamental news events are concerned. So let's look at the technical side of what to expect next week. So let's start from EURGBP. So EURGBP is one of the currency pairs I predicted like 2 weeks ago. I told you guys that it was going to fall pretty good, and it actually started falling. So what am I looking out for on EURGBP? On EURGBP, this is where my eyes are. Okay, my first target, my eyes are on this zone right here, which is the 0.8637, and also this zone right here as second target, which is 0.8583 zone. Okay, so this as you can see on the daily time frame, this market EURGBP has broken through this very strong support level. It was broken through, and the market is back there for a retest, which is looking like the zone is going to really be very, very strong. It was the previous support. It has turned resistance. So I'm clearly looking that the market will bounce off the zone. It's already bouncing off from what I can already see. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, it gave us a double top here, a double top here, and a top here, and another top here, making it a very pretty double top. And the market came over, bounced off the third time. So this will probably be my first trade for the week. Once the market is open, I'll probably be taking my first target somewhere to this zone. Of course, my stop loss will be above this zone just to be safe. Okay, so our first target for next week is our first zone. I've already marked the first zone out. This is where we're looking out for. First target, sorry, I don't know why I can't see my. Let me raise this up so I can see my zone again. 0.8637. That's our first target. Okay, so that's the zone we are actually looking out for first target. EURGBP is already set up for it's already a go. Okay, you can call this a signal. Okay, so put your stop loss somewhere around the 0.8745 zone and sell this market. Okay, and of course this is not a trading advice. Okay, but however, this is just my personal analysis. Now let's jump over to AUDCAD. AUDCAD was one of the currency pairs I predicted for you guys last week. I told you guys that AUDCAD was going to fall pretty well, and is actually falling already. I marked out this zone for you guys last year. I told you I was going to head to the 0.89573 zone, and it's already heading to that zone like already. Okay, so what am I looking out for? I'm looking out for a very brief retracement, because it's already a bit too late to be selling at this point. I don't want my stop loss to be that far away. So what I'll do, I'll be using the Fibonacci tool from here. You have Fibonacci from here to this zone, and if I can be able to get a reversal to, let's say, the 50% zone, it will be risky to be selling at 38.2. I would love it to get to 50% or a 61.8 retracement zone. Once we're able to get to this zone or this zone, then I'll be willing to sell this market all the way down to our target zone, which is the 0.8953 zone. Okay, so that's what I'm actually looking out for on the AUDCAD. I'm still looking out for selling opportunities, because ultimately, if you look at the daily time frame, you clearly see that that is where we are likely headed to. This market would likely touch this 0.8957 zone. So it's actually worth looking out for this coming week on the AUDCAD. So my bias on the AUDCAD is a sell after we get a retracement. Okay. So the next currency I'll be giving you guys is GBPCHF. GBPCHF, I think, was among the currency pairs I predicted for you guys last week. I told you guys that it was going to fall after it gave us after I saw this liquidity grab that happened here, over here, after this red candle. I told you guys this was where, I think this was where like last week ended, somewhere here. I told you guys that this market was going to fall pretty well, which happened. I mean, clearly the market reversed, gave us a double. I was too precise. I even told you guys that this market was going to go back and do another liquidity grab, which is what happened on I think this was Thursday. Okay, we happened on Thursday, did another set of liquidity grab before bouncing all the way down. So what are we looking out for this week? This week we are hoping that this market keeps going down. Okay, this is the first target. This is our first target right here, 1.1097 zones. That's our first target. Second target somewhere here, 1.1043 level. That's what we're looking out for on the GBPCHF. So on a 4-hour time frame, I will definitely be waiting for a rebound, because I don't like entering too early on trades. I like getting like the best possible entry, the best supply zone that I can sell from. So I want to get this market to reverse to this point. If that happens, that'll be a better entry. Okay, a more aggressive entry can be like entering like right away from this zone, putting a stop loss somewhere here, and then riding this to the first target, and hopefully getting a 1.7 risk to reward, and probably riding to the second target, which will be like 1:2.7 risk to reward. Okay, so but that will be very, very aggressive. That's not my kind of entry. I like getting the most precise entries. So I'm probably waiting for a retracement to happen back to, let's say it's 1.8 or 50% retracement zone, in which case that will really be amazing, really amazing. So I can get a better risk to reward on my trading. So that's actually my bias on the GBPCHF. We're looking out for a sell opportunity, right? So let's go over to EURJPY. EURJPY is a currency pair. I don't think I've analyzed EURGBP in a while, but I can see a very good setup right here, looking really, really good. So we hit this I think this is like how many years, this is like 7-year high that we are able to reach on this particular currency pair, EURJPY. So we hit a 7-year high, and the market is clearly bouncing up from the 7-year high, which is somewhere here. And this market, from what I'm already saying, has given us a very, very clean head and shoulders pattern. Okay, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see this sorry, let me start this again. You can see this as the first shoulder. This is the head. This is the second shoulder, and the market has broken and closed below the two shoulder, below the neckline. Okay, so what we are likely going to see on this currency pair is a continuous drop. This market will likely keep dropping. We're looking at this market likely keep dropping to this as first target somewhere here. First target, second target somewhere here. Then we're looking at the third target somewhere. Let's not be too greedy. Let's just leave third target at 141.738. So this is looking like pretty amazing. Now, if I decide to put a moving average on this, a 50 moving average, you can clearly see that the market has gone below a 50 moving average, and probably I think it should be below the 20 moving average. Excellent. So on a moving average, you can see that the market, the 4-hour time frame has gone below both 20 and 50 moving average, which is giving us like a very good downward momentum. So at this point, I'm looking for a double top on a 1-hour time frame. If I'm able to get, okay, we already have a double top, but it just needs to do, I think a liquidity grab should happen here. That's the next thing. We've been in this market for this long. We know these things. I know when a possible liquidity grab is going to happen. This is looking like a very good opportunity for these guys to do their thing. Okay, so possibly see this market rally all the way up here then probably fall all the way, from there down. So that's what I'm expecting to happen. But even if we don't get that, we're able to get like another, like a very long week, piercing through this previous resistance zone that was a formal support, then I'll be very, very willing to start selling. Okay, it is time, is a signal to start selling, because ultimately this is where we're headed. We're headed to the 143.774 zone. Okay, that's what we're actually looking out for. So on EURJPY, I'm very, very bearish. Okay, very bearish on EURJPY. Now USDJPY was one of the currency pairs I predicted for you guys last week when it was somewhere here. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think this is where we were as of Monday morning. This is where we were as of Monday morning. I told you guys that this market was going to buy. I even gave you guys this. Last week was when I showed you guys this, risk to reward that we're expecting on this particular trade, and very, very luckily the market played out exactly the same way I said it was going to go. Came down, touched the trend line once more, then began to rally all the way up. So what are we expecting from this market? Of course, I'm still expecting the market to get to my risk, my reward zone. Okay, so the market is back on this, bullish spree, bullish rally. So I'm just expecting if I just get a slight retracement to a Fibonacci level. Slight retracement to Fibonacci level, let's say the 38.2, because this is a very strong trend, so I will not be expecting to get to like 50% or 61.8. So if you get a retracement to the 50% or 61.8 level, that will be an excellent, really excellent zone to actually start buying this market. So this is what I'm expecting on this. If we get something like this, then I'll be willing to keep selling this market all the way up. So that's my expectation on the USDJPY. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel at this point, like seriously, man, what's your problem, man? Subscribe to this channel. I bring on amazing values on this channel every single week, and I have amazing content you can check out on this channel. So go through my videos. There's a lot to learn from this channel. This is like the best educational forex channel on the YouTube. Okay, so check out my videos. Then secondly, if you love to learn how I do this analysis, if you want to join over 1,000 of my students, over 1,000 of my mentees, paid free mentees learning forex, there's a link in the description that will take you to the website where you can actually join my mentorship program. I have both a free mentorship program and I have a premium mentorship program. So I have over 1,000 students cumulatively learning and making money from the forex market under my mentorship. So do well to join the link. And also we have a Telegram community where I share these signals. Anytime the setup plays out exactly the way I predict it does, then I share the signals on the Telegram channel. So the link is also in the description. You don't want to miss out of all the free money that we are giving out here at Trade with Forex Academy. So I love you guys, and I'm sure and I'm hopeful that you subscribe to this channel. There's a lot coming your way this week. So I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful time trading, make all the money in the world, and of course, give us thumbs up, give this video a like, then drop a comment if you've learned something amazing from this video. I love you guys. Till I come your way again. Cheers. Have a wonderful week. Goodbye.
So number one, teamwork. I want you to find the person in this room that is the model. I'm talking about, he is the model doggone practice guy. He's the model 120. He put it, he don't quit. Where is he? Talk to him, point to him. Who is that guy in this room? Who is that guy that he get there early, he leave late, he listens to the coach, he play every doggone down, he don't play no games? Who is he? Here's what I need y'all to do. I ain't gonna be deep. I need you to find out exactly what they doing and do it. How many games y'all got? I need you to play like them for 12 games. How many practices do you have? Don't do that. You need to know the number, and you need to know the hour, and you need to know what the assignment is, and you need to do it just like they would do it. Somebody answer me. If we practice like they practice and play like we play, what's gonna happen this year? One more time.